Hello there, young dreamers. Let's just say I'm an old friend of the garden, and of Timmy's, though he doesn't know it yet. Now then, let me tell you about a very special place and a boy who found it when he needed it most. In a town where the sun seemed to shine a little less brightly, there lived a boy named Timmy. 10 years old, with a mop of unruly hair and eyes that rarely left the ground. Poor Timmy felt like he was invisible most days.
Another boring day. Nothing good ever happens anyway.
You know, young man, life blooms brightest for those who nurture hope and gratitude in their hearts.
Oh, I guess, if you say so.
Timmy didn't know it yet, but those words would soon mean more than he could imagine.
Hey, little guy, you're hurt. I think I know somewhere that can help you.
In that small act of kindness, we catch a glimpse of the Timmy hidden beneath all that worry and doubt. A Timmy who cares, who wants to help. And it was this Timmy, the one with a heart full of unspoken wishes, who was about to make an incredible discovery.
What's this? I've never seen this door before.
Sometimes, all it takes is a moment of courage to change everything. What do you think, dreamers? Should Timmy open that door?
Well, it's not like things can get any worse, right? Here goes nothing.
And with that single step, Timmy's world was about to change forever. But that, my young friends, is where our next chapter begins. Oh my, look at where Timmy's ended up. A world beyond his wildest dreams.
Is this real?
As real as can be, and more fantastic than any dream. But what's this?
Hello there. Welcome to the Garden of Wishes.
A talking... what are you?
I'm Bloom, your guide. This garden is magic, you know. It can make wishes come true.
Really? Can I try?
Of course. But remember, there's a flower of hope that can only be found by those who learn gratitude and positivity.
That sounds hard.
Poor Timmy. The idea of being positive seemed as foreign to him as the magical garden itself.
I wish for a delicious pizza.
Great. Now what are you grateful for about it?
It's not cold?
Oh dear. It seemed Timmy had a long way to go in learning gratitude.
Timmy, don't you like your wishes?
They're okay, I guess, but... I don't know. I thought I'd feel happier.
The river of memories. To cross, share a happy memory.
But I don't have any!
Now, we know that's not true, don't we? Timmy just needed to look a little harder.
Wait, maybe the little bird I helped earlier?
And with that small recollection, Timmy took his first step towards understanding the garden's magic.
Oh no, Timmy, the garden! It's wilting!
What? Why?
The garden reflects your inner state. Your negative thoughts, they're hurting it.
And so, Timmy faced his greatest challenge yet. Could he learn to be grateful in time to save the garden? The next part of our story was about to unfold.
Oh no, Timmy, the flowers are wilting and the air feels heavy.
What's happening to this place?
The garden, being magical and all, was reflecting Timmy's inner world. And oh my, was that world a bit gloomy.
Bloom, what are those things?
They're your negative thoughts, Timmy. We need to outrun them.
And so began a chase through the fading garden. But you know, sometimes running away isn't the answer.
We need to cross. Quick, Timmy, think of kind words. They'll build a bridge.
Kind words? But I don't know any.
Poor Timmy. He'd spent so long focusing on the bad, he'd forgotten all the good. But deep down, those memories were there, waiting to be found.
Thank you, please?
That's it, keep going. What else are you grateful for?
The librarian? She always smiles at me. And my neighbor helped me once when I fell off my bike. My teacher said she liked my drawing last week. And Bloom, you've been so nice to me this whole time.
That's it, Timmy. You're doing it. The bridge is almost complete.
With each kind word, each grateful thought, the bridge grew stronger. And you know what else? So did Timmy. Why bother? Nothing good ever happens to you anyway.
you'll never find the flower of hope.
That's not true.
Remember all the good things, Timmy. The garden, the wishes, our friendship. You've come so far and done so much. Don't let the shadows make you forget that.
But nothing ever goes right for me. I'll never be good enough.
And in that moment of despair, surrounded by the shadows of his own making, Timmy faced his darkest hour. But remember, even in the darkest night, there's always a spark of light waiting to grow.
Timmy, look around. Look at how far you've come. You've made wishes come true, built a bridge with kind words, and made a friend.
You're right, Bloom. I have done some amazing things, and I'm not alone anymore. I have you as my friend. And you know what? I am good enough. I've faced my fears, I've helped others, and I've learned to be grateful. Maybe I can find the flower of hope after all.
And there it was, a tiny spark of gratitude ready to light up Timmy's world. But would it be enough to face the shadow of his doubts? Well, that's where our next chapter begins. As Timmy's hope grew stronger, so did his life. And in that moment, he realized that the true flower of hope had been within him all along, waiting to bloom.
Grr. You think that's enough? You'll never be happy. You'll always be alone.
No, you're wrong. I'm not alone. I have Bloom, and I have myself.
That's it, Timmy. Tell him what you're grateful for.
I'm grateful for this adventure, for the kind librarian, for my teacher who liked my drawing, for the neighbor who helped me up when I fell. I'm grateful for the pizza wish and the treehouse wish, and I'm even grateful for you, Shadow Me.
You are?
Yes, because facing you taught me how strong I can be.
Timmy, you did it. You saved the garden.
It's so beautiful, but where's the flower of hope?
Timmy, the flower of hope. It's you.
It's been inside me all along. This is amazing. I want to share this feeling with everyone. Hey there, what's your wish? Maybe I can help.
Well, would you look at that? Our Timmy's learned quite a lesson. But you know, this magic isn't just for him. It's for all of us. What wishes do you hold? And what are you grateful for? Your own flower of hope is just waiting to bloom. So, what do you say? Are you ready to find your own magical garden? Who knows? Your next big adventure might be just around the corner.